Summit 2015 organized by elets Technocrats Private Limited, and I am thankful to the organizers for inviting me. Historically, public sectors assume significant importance in the Indian economy in both pre- and post-independence period. In the pre-independence era, the public sectors were confined primarily to select sectors including railways, post, telegraph, ports, and ordnance factories, etc. Post-independence era was characterized by an organizing economy with a weak industrial base, regional imbalance and economic development, low-level saving, inadequate infrastructure, facilities, etc. But now, in the central PSUs in the past liberalization era directly faces the challenges of competitions. In such scenario, the role of technology in the various operations process of Indian public sectors is highly crucial, not only to meet the organization's objective, but also to sustain in the competition. From the public sector and other markets, in the phases where innovation has become global phenomenon, investment and nurturing of R&D become an absolute necessity for any country to be global player and market leader. In the absence of critical inputs, particularly technology, it becomes difficult for any entity to sustain in the face of intense competition and meeting the objective of industrialization. Thus, the R&D, technology upgradation, and innovation becomes the heart of progress and of the nation. In order to grow the competitive edge on the essential for PSUs, the enter into strategic alliance, the world-renowned technology provides in the respective field of operation. I just wanted to share my views on the technology-driven sustainability, as we are talking about the I have just mentioned about the post and telegraph department and other areas. You see the technology, how it has improved now. In the past, it's how difficult it was to transfer the money through the money order and all that. And once the money means brought by the postman, and people were feeling harassed and they were asking so many identities, so many things. It was a very difficult task to deliver the money to the individuals. Now within just on one click, the money is transferred to the any destination. How technology has brought our life so comfortable. Another a classic example, with the public sector itself, you can see some time back, must have earned money of my seniors must be experiencing how HMT watches were popular world over. And it was very difficult to get the HMT watches, even HMT tractors and all that were so popular. But they have not improved upon the product with the technology upgradation, and they could not able to sustain in the market. Though these are now, my friend was talking about the video conferencing. It was very interesting to know how easy now become to interact with the others. But in our organization also, now we are working mainly on technology-driven tasks now. Like now, for the video conferencing also, for all the interviews, we were earlier, some time back, we were calling all our professional or our executives from the various destinations and talking about taking about the interviews now. But now everything is now converted into video conferencing. We are all board members, we are sitting, chatting with a person, and we are deciding, no. So even for the discussion on the project management or various issues, we call on person on the video conferencing and take the decision instead of calling them and discussing and making a huge expenditure. So now the technology, how best it has economized the system now. So where we were spending lakhs and lakhs of rupees for calling the person, now within no time we are calling a person. It's a time saving as well as there is a huge saving in the on calling a person and having a discussion, because you can see that how technology has made our life so comfortable. Not only this, in our the business areas also, I just wanted to share with you that we are sustaining mainly on the upgradation of the technology and adopting the new technologies. No, some time back we have been invited. Is all very confidential and secret. I can't discuss openly on the particular place, but we were called for a project on the border management. And it was something very difficult project which was to be taken in the deserts in the Arab countries. And we brought the best technology, best manufacturers, and we designed all our professionals, they designed the technology. And it was proven to be one of the best technology-driven border management. It was all surveillance system through surveillance cameras, which is not available world over. And we designed the entire system and executed the project, and it is proven to be one of the best system in the world. And first phase we have completed, and second phase of more than 3,500 crores. I have very recently I have signed a contract and agreement with their army chief, and it is basically means that we sustain only on the technology. Once you adopt the new technology, new system, then only you can sustain in the market. Similarly, I just wanted to share with you in the Arab countries also, because their main economy is dependent on the extraction of crude and refineries. And one of the country, they wanted to upgrade their refineries, and the Europeans were very particular to come in. But all the refineries, their processes, their operations are being operated by the Indians. With this philosophy, they were searching a public sector who come forward and take over the project. But nobody was ready, because it was some very high-tech technology and very sophisticated project. But we brought the best professionals, worked out the best technology, and now we are likely to get a success in securing the project. So with this, I just wanted to share my views with the August gathering, that if you wanted to sustain in the market, the adoption of new technology, new systems, upgradation of your technologies is a must. Otherwise, you can't sustain in the market. Every day technology is now changing. Even in the housing sector also, there are conventional systems where we are taking years together to construct the building. Now there are new systems are available which are not only economical, but within 1 or 2 days you can construct one complete floor and complete the projects. Not only in the months you can complete the projects. And even in the remote areas, in the deserts or in the hilly areas, now new technologies has come up where you can very easily you can make up the foundation, where we were taking years together for piling and other things. Now new technologies are available where we can raise the building within the months, which we were taking years together. So again, my submission, my experience is that if you wanted to sustain, the technology upgradation is must know. With these words, I again convey my thanks to the organizer for being over here, and any questions and all that, I'm here, which August gathering they can ask and all that. Thank you very much.